In this video, we're going to be describing the K404 indicator firmware for the 400 series. The K404 can store up to 250 truck IDs, and we're going to get into docket printing. Docket printing is an event-based style of printing. These truck IDs can be considered partial weighments. If you picture a parking garage that can hold 250 vehicles, you can have up to 250 trucks stored in those parking spaces. And those values can be permanent trucks, inbound tickets, and once you weigh the outbound ticket, it clears that space and makes that memory location available again. So let's get into it. Here you can see we have an indicator set up and we have our serial output tool. If I just press the print key, it just gives us basically a gross ticket. That's format B. So you can see here I'm in the print menu. Docket has been selected, format B. We're going to change that to custom. And we'll be working in the custom record, or the custom docket field down here. The goal today is to create an overlap ticket, a gross tear net overlap ticket that works with this style of printer, a impact printer, and basically allows you to place your inbound ticket into the printer to get your time, date, and weight, and then later place that same ticket back in the printer and it finishes the ticket, and so you get your remaining fields, your tear and your net weight printed, and that completes the ticket. This is a common procedure at many facilities where they use a single ticket, a triplicate, to print the inbound and outbound ticket on the same ticket. What I've done here is I've placed the different print statuses. I've defined the print statuses in the custom printout. So here we won't actually get any weight information, but we'll just get the print statuses to see where they happen and when. So event.wi is our normal weigh in. Event.wo.1 is our weigh out with a preset tear. That would typically be for a permanent truck or a truck with a keyed in tear. Weighout.2 is your normal second pass, and that works with weigh in. So weigh in and weigh out 2 work together. And event.d.wo is like a final status value, kind of like your footer, but it resides inside of the docket. So if I just put some weight on, and if I press the print key, you'll see we get 2 statuses. We get the start of the docket and we get the print key. So that's your start of docket, and that's the print key. Here we're simulating the weigh in. So you can see we get the start of docket, the weigh in normal 2 pass, and the end of the docket for that inbound weighment. We'll go ahead and reselect that truck. D1. It'll say weigh out. Make the weight go up a little bit more and print that, and then we get another start of docket, and we get the weigh out normal 2 pass, and we get the end of docket weigh out. So you can see if we have the appropriate tokens for weight, for first pass weight, second pass weight, then we can go ahead and generate the different tickets, the gross tickets and the gross tear net tickets. So let's do that now. Okay, So far I have loaded in some custom print formats. I had a RIS file saved for GTN ticketing. So right now on my print key I have a gross tear net ticket created, and I also have some inbound outbound ticket formats loaded to stash away those values and then give me a gross tear net ticket on the outbound. For just a really basic printout, I can type in 25, hit tear, it'll round it up to 30. So I have a preset tear entered. I'll put some weight on the scale, and then if I hit my print key, you can see that I get my gross tear net ticket. No truck ID on that one. So we'll go back to 0. This time we'll go ahead and we'll select a truck. Just use T1 again. And you can see we have a inbound ticket there. I'll clear that. Go ahead and select T1 again, and we'll get our way out prompt. And this gives us our gross tear net. Here you can see that our gross tear net is right at the top of the ticket, which isn't going to work for our overlap formatting. So in order to fix that, we'll go into our settings and we'll first look at our way in layout. You can see that our way in layout has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, around 5 lines down. So that means that our way out 2, our outbound format, needs some extra spaces. And so to fix that, I've just added a handful of /C1s, which are carriage return line feeds. And I can quickly test that and just make sure that I've gone down enough lines. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'm down far enough so that now when I print my outbound format, the gross tear net will be below my inbound format, and then it'll look real nice on the triplicate ticket. So let's go ahead and check our inbound and outbound ticket formats. So we'll first do our way in. I'll print that, and you can see we've got our inbound ticket. I'll reselect T1, and we'll do our way out. So since we're starting with the same ticket, I just would clear this. There you can see, so this above section would have our inbound format and our gross tear net would be below it. And that would work. That would look nice. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully you found it helpful, and look forward to more training videos.